Welcome to the lengthening portion of this program. My name is Sarah Kiriconi, Live Free Warrior. You don't need any props for this, but we are going to focus on the hamstrings. So this can be great too after a workout or as part of this lengthen, strengthen, and lean out series. To begin, find yourself in a downward facing dog. Plant the palms down, bend the knees a lot here. And just start to pedal the legs out. Bending one knee, bending the other. Feel into the back of the body as you begin to intuitively move. So part of the lengthening portion, we will really focus on intuition and feeling in the body. And the other portions are based on getting your heart rate up, getting the body heated, creating strength. And here, this is about extension, fluidity, and flow. So as slow as you can, walk your way to the front of the mat, one step at a time, one foot at a time. And when you get there, of course, bend your knees. Keep a bend in your knees here. Inhale to a long spine. And as you exhale, forward fold. Again, really bent knees. Plant your fingertips down towards the mat, two little tents, and start to straighten your right leg out all the way. Keep a bend in that left knee though. Let your head be heavy, your neck loose, your spine relax. And then switch. Extend your left leg, bend your right knee. Just feel what left and right hamstring differs, how they differ, which one feels. And then bend both knees, slowly roll your way all the way up to standing, your spine stacking one at a time. Inhale, reach the arms up overhead, grab your left wrist, lift up and over to the right. Go ahead and inhale back to center, grab the right wrist, lift up and over to the left. Go ahead, back to center on the inhale, and as you exhale, forward fold all the way. Again, bent knees, inhale to a long spine. As you plant the hands, step your left foot back, come into a low lunge. So you keep your fingertips down towards the mat, and you're still up on those tented fingertips. With the bend in your right knee, take an inhale, gaze forward, and as you exhale, start to extend through your right leg. Inhale, rebend the knee. And exhale, extend. Again, inhale, bend. And exhale, extend. Rebend the right knee, plant the hands down towards the mat, step back, downward facing dog. Inhale to a plank position, and then lower your knees down towards the mat, come into a low push-up. Then to your upper dog or cobra, whichever one you like here. Lift from the core, up and back, downward facing dog. Then we'll do that on the other side. Step your left foot between the hands. You're in that low lunge, you're up on your fingertips. Inhale to a long spine, gazing forward. Exhale, start to extend through your left leg. Inhale, rebend the knee. And exhale, extend. Inhale, bending, gaze forward, exhale, and extend. As you rebend the left knee, step your right foot up to meet the left. Inhale to a long spine. Exhale, forward fold. Get a bend in those knees, find fingertips, inhale, lengthen the spine, extend your right leg. You always can take your hands to your shins as well, but if you can, try and keep your fingertips grounded. And then switch, bend the right knee, extend the left leg. Inhale to a long spine, and exhale, forward fold. Bent knees and roll your way all the way up to standing, arms reach up overhead. And exhale, hands to heart center. As you flow, inhale, reach the arms up. Forward folding, exhale. Inhale to a long spine. And plant the hands, step your left foot back. From that runner's lunge, inhale, you're gonna come to downward facing dog split. Plant the palms, right leg lifts up and back. Drop your left heel close down towards the mat. However close it will go. Take a deep breath in. Full exhale. Inhale. And exhale, lower your right foot down to the mat. Inhale to a plank. And exhale, lower the knees down, low push-up. Upward facing dog, inhale. Downward facing dog, exhale. Full breath in. Full breath out. Looking forward, slowly walk your way to the front of the mat again. Inhale to a long spine. And exhale, forward fold. Bend knees, roll your way all the way up. Grab the left wrist, lift up and over to the right. Back to center, inhale. Grab the right wrist, lift up and over to the left. Back to center on the inhale. Forward fold all the way, exhale. Inhale to a long spine. Plant the hands, step your right foot back. Inhale, gazing forward. Exhale, plant the palms. Left leg lifts high, downward facing dog split. On this side, maybe the right heel comes closer down towards the mat. Deep breath in. Full exhale. One more inhale. And exhale, lower the left foot down. Inhale, plank. And exhale, lower the knees, low push-up. Upward facing dog, inhale. Downward facing dog, exhale. Full breath in. Full breath out. This time, step your right foot between the hands. Come up to your fingertips. And from your fingertips, float the arms by your side. Palms will face down here. Lift up through the chest. Here we hold 3, 2, 1. Drop the left heel down towards the mat. Keep holding. 3, 2, 1. Inhale, rise up, warrior 1. Ground down through the feet. Draw your left hip forward, right hip back. Breathe up the front body. Deep breath in. And exhale, hands come down to the mat. Step your left foot up to meet the right. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, forward fold. Bend both knees, grab your big toes with your first 2 peace fingers. And as you bind those up, your palms face towards one another. Inhale, long spine. Exhale, fold in. You can keep a bend in the knees or start to straighten the legs out. Again, you want to keep the neck relaxed, head heavy. Deep breath in. Full exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Release that bind. Inhale, long spine. Step your right foot back. We're in that lunge position. And now float the arms by your side, palms facing down. Keep lifted up through the chest for 3, 2, and 1. Drop the back heel down, holding. 3, 2, rise on up, warrior 1. Inhale, arms up overhead. Grounding down through the feet, feel your right thigh spiral forward. Deep breath in, full breath out. Inhale, and exhale. Hands lower down to the mat. Step back, plank. Shift forward, lower the knees, low push-up, exhale. Upward facing dog. Downward facing dog, exhale. Full breath in, full breath out. Inhale 2, and exhale. One more inhale, and exhale. Step the feet together, right leg lifts high, inhale. Bend the right knee, stack your right hip over the left. See where that left heel can go, if it can lower closer down towards the mat. Deep breath in. Right, hips are opening, shoulders stay level. 2, and then 1. Bring your knee to nose to step the right foot between your hands. We're setting up in a warrior 2. So your right heel aligns with left inner arch. Arms reach out long and wide. Extend through the fingertips. Holding. 3, 2. Go ahead and reverse your warrior. Right arm lifts up and back. Extend through the right side of the body. And then come on forward, extended side angle. You have the right elbow over your right knee, left arm reaching up and overhead, palm facing down. Stay light on this right elbow. 3, 2. On your inhale, come on back up, warrior 2. Straighten your right leg out, sitting up in triangle. Right arm reaches forward. Let the hand come down towards your right shin, or it can come down towards the mat. Left arm reaches up. One isn't better than the other, it's just that your legs are extended and your spine is long. Gaze up to your fingertips, out to the side or down, wherever feels best in your neck. Inhale, and exhale. In and out. One more inhale. You're going to lower your left hand down towards the mat, setting up in pyramid. So you bring that left foot in about 1/3 of the way. Your heel lowers down to the mat, and your left toes point towards the front left corner of the mat. Now find a long spine on the inhale, and if there's space to fold over your right leg, exhale. Deep breath in, full breath out. Inhale, and exhale. One more inhale, and exhaling. Inhale, extend forward. And exhale, step your left foot up to meet the right. Notice the difference between your legs here. Inhale, long spine. And exhale, folding on in. Bend those knees. Drape the belly over the thighs. Bent knees, roll your way all the way up. Inhale, arms overhead. And exhale, hands to heart center. Ground down through the feet. We're going to do the other side. Inhale, arms reach up. Forward fold, exhale. Inhale, lengthen. And exhale, step your right foot back. Warrior 2, we're setting up in. Arms extend, open wide. Grounding down through the feet. Reverse your warrior, flip the left palm up, reach it up and back. Right hand is above or below the knee. Deep breath into your left lungs. Inhale, come on back up. Left elbow to left knee. Reach your right arm forward, palm facing down towards the mat. Holding 3, 2, and on 1, come on back up. Triangle, lengthen the left leg. Extend the left arm forward. Let the hand come down towards your shin or towards the mat. And right arm reaches up. So you really make 3 different triangles with your body. The legs, your right hand to right foot, left foot. And then a little space between your left ribs, your thigh, your left arm. Deep breath in. Full exhale. One more inhale. Pyramid pose. Let your right hand come on down. Hop that back foot in. About 1/3 of the way. Both legs are straight here. Your hands always can come to your shin if that creates more length. Stay here or folding over your left leg. Deep breath in. Full exhale. Inhale. And exhale, one more. Full round inhale. And a full exhale. Step your right foot up to meet the left. You're going to come to seated. So from seated, extend the legs out in front of you. Just finish up here with 2 more. Take the sole of your right foot inside your left thigh here. Inhale and extend. And exhale, forward folding over your left leg. Deep breath in. Full exhale. Inhale, start to slow down your heart rate with a long exhale. Inhale, and exhale. Inhale, rise back up, a little twist over to the left, and then over to the right. Last portion here, switch sides so your right leg extends. Inhale, long spine. And exhale, fold over your right leg. You can always use a towel to wrap up over your right foot. Deep breath in. Full breath out. Inhale. And exhale. One more inhale. And exhaling. Rise back up on the inhale. So as we twist over to the right, and then over to the left. Take your time getting up. That concludes our lengthening for the hamstrings. We're chasing the sunset here. My name is Sarah Kiriconi, Live Free Warrior. See you in another upcoming video.